Visual learners are individuals who learn best through seeing and visualizing information. They prefer using images, diagrams, and written instructions rather than listening to lectures or engaging in hands-on activities. Examples of learning activities that benefit visual learners include using charts, graphs, and diagrams to represent information. They might also benefit from watching videos, creating mind maps, and using color-coded notes. For instance, a visual learner might understand a historical timeline better if it is presented in a chart with pictures and dates rather than just text. In a science class, watching a video of a chemical reaction can help them grasp the concept more effectively. Let's look at some strengths of visual learners. One strength is their ability to remember and understand information through images. They often have strong spatial awareness and can easily visualize objects and scenarios in their minds. Another strength is their organizational skills. Visual learners tend to be good at organizing information in a clear and logical manner, often using visual aids like charts and diagrams to help them study and retain information. Additionally, visual learners are often very observant and detail-oriented, which helps them notice patterns and relationships that others might miss. However, visual learners also face some challenges. They may struggle in classroom settings where information is primarily delivered through lectures or verbal instructions. They can find it difficult to process and retain information that is presented only through speech. Another challenge is that they might rely too heavily on visual aids and struggle when visual aids are not available. This can affect their performance in situations where they need to rely on auditory or kinesthetic learning methods. Furthermore, visual learners can sometimes get overwhelmed by too much visual information, leading to difficulty in focusing and retaining key points. Critics of the concept of learning styles, including visual learning, argue that the evidence supporting distinct learning styles is weak and inconsistent. Research has not conclusively shown that teaching according to a student's preferred learning style significantly improves learning outcomes. Critics also suggest that focusing too much on learning styles can lead to a fixed mindset, where students and teachers believe that certain subjects or skills are beyond reach because they don't fit the preferred learning style. This can limit a student's potential to develop a well-rounded set of skills and adapt to various learning situations. Moreover, critics emphasize the importance of using a variety of teaching methods to benefit all students, rather than categorizing them strictly into learning styles. They argue that effective teaching should incorporate diverse approaches to engage all senses and cognitive processes, ensuring that students develop flexibility in their learning strategies.